Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a demo and review on the Maleficent bath bomb by Bird Bath & Body, who were previously known as Rosie's Creations. So without further ado, I'm just going to get this little guy right into the water. they've got this gorgeous, really dark purple bath water, and as you saw at the start, they're kind of, so once I put the bath bomb into the water, it kind of like released a really nice dark purple down into the bottom of the tub and kind of dyed the water from the bottom to the top. I actually really liked that. That was really pretty to watch. And the water feels really nice and silky. And so I can't wait to hop in, have a soak, and then I'll let you guys all know what I thought about it afterwards. Okay, so I finally decided to get out of the bath and there's just a little bit of pigment left on the bottom of the tub. That's okay, I'll just give that a little wipe out in a sec. And so that bath bomb was absolutely amazing. I did not put my hands in at all because I was on my phone literally the entire time. But it is what it is. And so anyway, guys, if you'd like to see more demos and reviews of products by Bird Bath & Body, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.